Leaked minutes from a recent Provincial Coordinating Meeting (PCC) have revealed that President Mnangagwa's initiative to issue title deeds to beneficiaries of the Land Reform Program may have a deeper political agenda. Sanapita mashoko anomudanikwa panapa aiwa main points olika achibuda PCC meeting noti subscribe like on the bell kuti mina pano pavanonyora vachiti while publicly represented as an economic empowerment program, the leaked documents suggested that the move could be aimed at consolidating political power and advancing the ruling party's interests ahead of the 2025 elections. Key points from the leaked PCC meeting include: number 1, issuance of title deeds nationwide. The minutes highlights plans for President Mnangagwa to extend the issuance of title deeds to both agricultural and urban land, with landowners required to pay between 2 and 8 cents per square meter. Number 2, focuses on underperforming districts. Makonde district was flagged in the minutes for having the lowest registration figures in the province, with only 69,000 names submitted on self-registers compared to over 100,000 in other districts. Number 3, party discipline and loyalty. The minutes emphasized the need for ZANU-PF members to remain disciplined and avoid engaging in anti-leadership discourse, particularly on social media, signaling a crackdown on internet dissent. Number 4, presidential term extension. Perhaps the most controversial point in the minutes is the resolution to push for the extension of Mnangagwa's presidential term to 2030. The document indicates the legal processes as being prepared to facilitate this extension, which would effectively delay leadership change for another 5 years. Ndo mashoko anobuda PCC meeting amurikona vakomana ava varikuona kuti aiwa nauya vari kufamba aiwa vachiti vanhu ngavapuwe matitle deeds kune nzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana, vanouya vachiuya nemaresolution ekuti aiwa party loyalty, maleaders pamwe mamembers anofanira kuva loyal kuZANU-PF uye nenhau yeterm extension. Muridzai mabvunzo enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Mina kumasection medu, so subscribe or like, tinotaura bell icon.